Hi, you guys. Today is April the 4th, 2023. Reason I'm in this video, hoping everybody's doing okay. Hoping everybody's doing okay. The reason this video is to give information. This is going to be probably a 10-15 minute video because there's a lot of information right now. Market is shifting. It's been shifting already. It's been shifting. It's still shifting. The way the market is, things happen. So I got like 4 different products. The fourth one is the hottest one. But let's start with the number one. The number one program is what is everybody's talking about. The famous 20%, which is going to be called Half a Dream for All. Basically, is the government is lending you. It's not free money. It has to be repaid. It has to be repaid. So 20% of the sales price or the appraised value. For example, they're selling the house for $550. If the appraisal came at $500, they're gonna lend you 20% of the actual $500, the appraised value or the sales price, whatever is lower. So what's gonna happen is they give you 20%. With this 20%, you can use 20%, the whole thing, to do as a down payment. You can do that, but if you want, you can split, 15% for down payment and another 5% for closing costs. But the good thing is, if you use the whole 20%, it will be no mortgage insurance. You save a lot of money paying no mortgage insurance because you got 20%, and then you will need maybe 2 to 3% for your own closing costs. Your own expenses. That is very, very good, very good. Fernando, when has to be repaid? Repay when you sell the property. When you sell the property, you're gonna have to, repay the 20% plus what they call the share equity appreciation is a 20%. So what it means very quick, I hope you understand. Let's say you purchase a house for $500 and let's say in 5 years, that example like I'll have to give us, 5 years the house is worth $640. So you got $140,000, which is the whatever appreciation. So what's gonna happen of this 140, you have to pay the 20%. The 20% will be 28. Double check right here real quick just to give you the right numbers. So will be the actual 20,000. That's the 20% appreciation that you have to pay, and then you owe them 100 that they lend you right in the beginning, of the 20%. So you owe them 128. The rest of the money, the other 142, it will be for the owner. Okay, you have to pay that. What about if the house doesn't go to 640? What about if it goes down? Because people asking me, what about if the house goes down on value? You don't have to pay the share. You don't have to pay the share. But those 100, you still have to pay because they lend you the money. You don't worry about those 28. Don't worry. But if the house went up on price, you have to pay the 20% whatever of the whatever the appreciation is. 20% is a very good program. There's only some people are saying 500 million. I heard that it's only $300 million available. So that means this is not gonna last. Everybody's jumping to it. Believe me, people I've been calling a lot of people trying to get a hold of them. I know everybody's busy, but people who knows getting a 20% assistance, it is very good. One thing, you have to be a first-time buyer. What it means, no home on the past 6 months. That's in 3 years, basically 3 years. It has to be a first-time buyer, no owner of the property on the 36. They got some limits on the income and stuff, not a big deal, but you will get that, when you make the appointment and we sit down with the lender. They're gonna give you more and more details. So this is the 20% one, which is a very, very good. Is not that clean. Okay, the second program, program number 2, is the program that is at 3.5%. This is a grant. That means it's free money, no silent second, no repay. It's completely free money. It's free money. So you just apply. They give you the 3.5%, and you'll be all set for it. That's a very, very, very good one. It's a grant. Minimum score is 620. The minimum FICO. Make sure you get a FICO. Make sure your monies are okay. So on that one, non-occupant or no co-borrower. So it has to be the people, only the occupant borrower, the people's going to live in the property, they qualify for that. It's a 3.5% grant. Okay, no silent second, no repayment required. That's just another awesome program. The other one that we have is what I call 100% financing. That's number three. Number three is 100% financing. How that works is actually two loans. One loan, 96.5, all right, and the other loan will be a 3.5% loan. You have to make payments, so it will be a first and a second loan, just two loans. Okay, I think it's a 10-year fixed rate, but you can have 100%. Okay, on down payments. Of course, there are going to be a closing cost that you have to come. Usually, it's about 2 to 3%. For the closing costs, your impounds, escrow title, all the expenses. That's about that. Okay, that's actually number three. The number four is what is the HUD stuff, which is number four. This is HUD. This is the ADUs or JADU. You probably know what I'm talking about. Accessory dwelling unit or a junior accessible dwelling unit. The famous ADUs. Everybody's doing this. What has happened is duplex not working. Duplex not working. ADU is the deal. You can spend probably $80K to maybe $150K depending of what you want to build an ADU. I do have the lender that it will lend you the money to build the ADU in the property. I mean, I'll make sure the property has capacity to build the ADU. Okay, that's number one. Okay, the ADU is a separate unit. Let's say you have a lot and you have your house right here, and this is all garage. Well, you do an ADU right here. Let's say you have a attached garage into it or another piece on the house. That will be a junior ADU. There will be a junior. Is when the actual structure is attached into the main home. This is the main home. Okay, so you have the garage. We can do the garage, and even you can share bathroom and stuff. That's what I heard. But you do a junior ADU that can be rent out, and also you can do a second another ADU right here. ADU and junior ADU. Renting 1,500. Renting maybe maybe another 1,500 or maybe even less. This is a very good money. You becoming an investor doing this. Okay, and if you do a duplexes are very, very expensive. That one tell this is hot. Now everybody's jumping into this because it's a very little money. It pays by itself. With one of those that you pay the loan and you get the other with the free money. Or you can even put two ADUs. I saw a case. I do have the lender that will be telling you the money. Also, if you buy the house, this lender will lend you the money to build, and also they will take in consideration the income, the future income you're gonna get of these ADUs. They will be able to throw it into your income. So what's gonna happen? You qualify for more, basically. Okay. There's a lot of details we need to go, but of course, the video we don't have enough time, to tell you. On the 100% financing, see, right here. On the 100% financing, I want to put you just a quick example. And everybody's talking about that. Let me tell you, everybody's talking about that. Let's say you purchase. This is just numbers, okay? You purchase a house for $400,000. Let's say, for example, okay? They will lend you $100,000. Your payment, you're looking when it's regular for $100,000, we know 100. You're looking at a payment of $3,991, around that. It's approximately, okay, on a 500. With this other one, when you with a 20%, they lend you 100. So what's going to happen? Your payment will be $3,200. Let's say just one example: a house of $450, your payment will be about $2,915 approximately. And you find a house for $400, your payment will be $2,500 with that 20% assistance. You have to be a first-time buyer. Keep that in mind. You have to be a first-time buyer. Okay, so give us a call. I got all these programs. Like I say, I got those beautiful programs. Let's see when we can qualify you for. Okay, give me a call, 562-307-1166. Fernando Chiavetti, Berkshire Hathaway Home Services. Once again, 562-307-1166. Give us a call, set an appointment, and then we can go into very more details. This is just the beginning. This is nothing, just the beginning, just the top of the tip of the iceberg. You come and have to see the whole thing. Is awesome. We have several appointments right now. Everybody's coming and investigating, digging, and see if they qualify for the 20%, may qualify for the other 100%. Who knows? We have several options right now. Also, the ADUs, a lot of people are doing the ADUs. You're gonna hear within 6 months to a year, you're gonna hear about someone, a family member, a friend, they did that. So now it's hot right now. Let's take advantage of that it's hot right now. Who knows, later on, they might put a new regulations, they might stop it, because everybody's doing the same block, maybe parking limitations, who knows, there's always something. So let's do that. Give us a call, 562-307-1162. And also, we moved from Southgate to the city of Downey. I want to send my new business card, same company, same phone number and everything. It's just a different building, a newer, nicer building in the city of Downey. Give us a call, 562-307-1166. Have a good day. Thank you.